Kima minaelewa? Vitaila sa
Wawa, napapikiri na ito bitolo cimutang mo.
Okay, money.
Alright.
We have to be loved, and that is happiness for us.
Langat tu Bob Marley, could you be loved?
Right.
Karena nak kirim Rabi Tolili, beto karena
Good
lumayan
morning, good morning.
Rabi di taxi mereka saka aku na step tagi taxi.
Right.
Dona post. Oh, Jeda Timbu.
Jeda Timbu gori.
Karena Ratu tahu he was posting one story about picking up to a couple from Makoi. Tu dona ya sasa gori wanga. Sange tu kuru choko bi boy nge kira bi uchi masih nanda kumu. Dopa kana iviri la ko step tagi taxi ya. Sakura na bulo baya, bi kenda dorbo ito ke momonga nga mabinaka reda.
Dona turanga.
Sabo turanga to.
Men, tu ki popo mai.
Right.
Dona turanga tu no ko be ndangona kita bundari kita no ko bina la bi mo kere me bondon. Kere mole drop ta ke kai sing sarindari la tu ko be. Nalo bina kakina.
Iyo.
True
Dona ko nalo bina kakina ni o kere bondon.
Dira sar. Me ko nga no sombu tu no talento ando ke comment mera. There's another comment below the post. Men ni John we that timbi ratau. Gatu ko chikino ka. Pada talo ti roman ta ko dona biuchi di ko los ting buket tu eleo. Ada do tala kiri wala. Fake pregnancy.
Apa ka kendo turanga ko talo dan rabi teksia.
Iyo.
Ko full suit sarto nga mabina kan dona begni sotia.
Iyo.
Kau tamo ko tuno kan ro ti ke bitu ngana beg lo manika bat kan na tanga.
Iyo.
Ko dona tamani tanga milmix. Sina itu. Bitu na sel ko tamay na wonno ga tu lo manibal. Sini kilau kana bono di mekina sa sumbe betul lecek tak di bangko na tanga. Wat kena beg gona bini ni si beba. Wat kena bin. Eta tu lo ma.
Okay. Ya itu kutu ke dalam matang di ko ke menin ka darabi to kan lumai pokon ni binaka ke ba mala kale ke menin nan rabi tolili ni sama chuko mai ana mataka ni baka dambi singro ko mi minan rabi taxi.
Iya, dina
Ke
sara.
menin donang unan itobo kita be tawla tak chuko matang di ko ni bangon dina sar nga bina boleh besar metalo tak iya. Meron kita para bira pakara mata gitu bikin tadi itu ke.
Iyo.
Sang wala kan rodorbo. So talaga bikin ng onelo sa takabutsingo.
Iyo, hindi na sara.
Sang ni intor na yalo lebih nakaya.
Iya, hindi na sara.
Mentam boroy chuko bira na kan dan itu.
Ndo may nakasi ko na nakasi. Lako lebuli roba bita maningo. Ngon nilay bata kino ng tatar. Dito man takanggal ka tatango.
Eto ko sagir sar mo motolo. LT1230.
Boleh bila taningo ndra ngora kapitani matim ni ngiobesi may nangkali.
Iyo.
Nanan.
Dubs.
Iyo. Kaya la kaya sombu.
English.
They go enter the
Dragon.
Enter the They enter the shop.
Yeah.
Right.
When they enter the shop, they just go in. They never pay for the taxi fare. So
Man.
when the driver come out and look after them inside the shop.
Yeah.
No, nobody was there.
One thing that we have to remember is the fuel is already expensive.
Yeah.
So we have to think of our drivers. We have to be honest. If you can pay your fare, then just better walk.
Yeah.
Take the bus.
Betul ko na
Don't
driver.
take the taxi.
I have $5 ya. Kaya ko kaya bina numu taxi vale. $7 kila.
Right.
$2 short
Yeah.
So nakabaya. Okay. Bina ka kita bita lota ka matang ko nang bimbi choice
Yeah.
Ako bimbi na bikay so dalang duruma na basing to sar ka bimbi na non da ding.
Iyo.
Right.
Dem siko na dapat na bimbi ni bosong ko na choice.
The choice, when I see the choice, I see two things.
Iyo.
Eruna kaya masong ikay.
Good and bad.
So, it's up to me.
Right.
Yeah.
Whether if I choose, I choose.
Right.
If I choose, I choose. Ang nanding ta kami nakau sa baro ta kami.
Iya.
Kaya baka because good and the bad thing is on there.
Yeah.
Iya.
If I choose the right thing, will be a good future.
Yeah.
If I choose the bad thing,
Right.
will be a wrong future.
Right.
No. Ko ni binak totok
Because the choice is on today and food.
forevermore.
Iya.
Okay, maganda mo. Kerto sa chuko may kanta mo na bitina ni. Sa kisuli ko nang ding ko numu da ba.
Dingin.
Choose choice. Mo sa nanggalo.
Kaya nga.
There's no boat. Hey.
Talaga yung choice siguro. Siguro sa command.
Boat suspended for 1 whole year.
Kasi nga sa libi ko na choice ko. Sa napakalelita ki mandangami ato imbang ka ucang ngalo ni ka.
Kalau kami sa tama ng giyo. Karena numero salah kan ko na bukas ngalim. Iya mana tu beli poso tu ng bedia tamay tukan ang bola benaka and the family why you change.
Iya.
Left to itong ang bola benaka. John Kumar ini naindua and also tu tamay tukan sa ni Moli now sorry bidesi.
Iya.
Ando bola benaka. Ala postura ng bedi mel turang lebu. Melnadale Bumbulvenaka and the family out there.
There's one word that comes to my mind now, Eleanor.
Right.
Mentor tarong gidam skin. But okay, Karen daw, he's a doctor at teacher.
He's a lover boy.
Lover boy.
Right.
Boy, lover boy.
Lava boy ni Volker, no?
So lang to Dolly partner, I've got two lovers, eh? Okay,
Come.
the word go na loneliness.
Right. Loneliness.
What is loneliness?
Loneliness.
Is it a mental, is it a thinking thing, or a
Physical?
soul thing,
Right.
or a physical thing?
Loneliness is an independent word.
Right.
He himself is independent. He never relied to anyone.
Right.
He is a air.
Ui.
He is a feeling. You can see, but you
Right.
can wear.
Right. Feeling of loneliness.
Yeah.
Right.
Feeling.
Right.
You can see him.
Yes. Yes.
You can touch him, but you can feel him.
Right.
A
He
feeling
is-
of loneliness overwhelmed me.
You can be with a crowd, but you still feel lonely, eh?
Yeah.
Right.
Lonely is saturated inside your soul.
Okay.
He himself,
Right.
he can, erni bakay sulit ako kanayang.
Right.
He can close the body.
Right.
Yeah.
Can squeeze the body.
Don't lie.
Yo, eko tamay na luto niyango.
Oh, yeah.
Eh? Yes.
Right.
Can squeeze the body into.
If loneliness, if loneliness can talk,
Right.
you will lose weight.
Right.
Oi.
Because he himself can fall inside. O kan daw lutiloma.
Magkano ba ito
He's a weight loser.
He's a weight loser. Yes. Kurumba lembuli membaw.
Yes.
Kurumba lembuli membaw is a lonela.
Isa on.
Lonela. If you see this word,
Yeah.
it's coming because he himself will grow inside your body. When
Oi.
grow inside, he is like a vapor.
Right.
It's like a air.
Right.
You can see him.
True.
You can breathe him.
Right.
This particle is a loneliness particle. Eh? If you see him, loneliness come from loneliness. Loneliness. If you mawasya na po siyang loneliness, inside the loneliness there is a one. Alone. Kuna
Alone one.
Yeah.
Hindi na, Sar. Hindi na. Oh, Chito mo, meron.
A-L-O-N-E.
Right.
At the end of the word is O-N-E.
Right.
That's one.
Yeah.
Right.
When you see the in front, one, O-N-E.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
And you see, and you see the in front, the all.
Right.
You see,
All alone.
all
Right.
alone.
Right.
Boy!
Yuko bata kikunduan-duan nga.
Right.
Eh, hindi na niko all, yuko one.
Yeah.
You.
All for one.
All for one.
Yeah.
That means we are in the same family, not from a botanical family. We are in a lone family. We should be have a one reunion. That's why you said on the Facebook, you see the Facebook different page are coming.
I'm alone in the farm.
Waro lapski to.
Doon sa post to na naway page, I'm alone in the farm. Lucky.
Kaya hindi na kinukuraga ka ni Serengo, I ruined my life.
Inday yung sa gayro ko, ha?
Eh, mulai na ka nabakanggu. Ngo na turun ni ngau, kurumba lembuli may mau.
Ay, lay.
Eh, mulai na ka tamay karay. Lonu, sir londo.
Ya, kami kata kita sa matagan doon na makanda. Kurang daw page gitu bitol ta chun. Lebron ngong santung pas gitu benitun di page sa kabu sa nabyo.
Ah.
Basta tapos tumanan dalo. Isa pinag juga at na toso. Ang gitu ko kaya I'm alone in the farm.
Alon takati ko sa kamo.
Ay, sakalay.
Nabwira. Baliso kami nabwira.
Oh, yan ra. Tuan benak na turang matangali.
Nabiti lebu.
Sa.
Sana ora. School
Iya.
sak.
Wali songo bo we.
Iya, nagirmid day talangan sini mataka.
Iya.
Totol tungan na singa.
Gina.
Pano ini binak.
Right. Kalau nggak sih na garabita viko kurumundo.
Ella the money.
Ngon demis.
Happy Girmit Day.
Tinay melni.